What's poppin'? What's good? Welcome or welcome back. I'm Michaela, and if you're here for a ride, come on and subscribe to become a butterfly. Getting ready for the day, getting ready for this adventurous weekend. But first, today, Friday, I have to get my classwork done. I have a class today at 1, and I'm finna go to the caf and do some work before class. I'm trying to build my routines, especially this week and next. I'm trying to have all my assignments done by Friday before my 1 p.m. class. If it doesn't work like that, I want them all done Friday by 5 o'clock. Let me finish getting myself ready. I do have work, and I'm gonna I'll be coming back to the dorm. So I'm gonna go to the caf, eat, come back and grab my stuff that I need, which I'm packing up now. These books will go in this bag when I come back for like my laptop. Definitely a need. Weekend, I'm leaving for my college dorm. It's been 2 weeks I've been on campus, and my aunt insists every 2 weeks that she might come pick me up, or we might go do grocery shopping or whatever. But this weekend, it's Labor Day weekend. It's some adventures going on, first time things. So I need to pack up my rest of my hygiene products that I used this morning and stuff. My bag is already packed with my clothes. Now here's my outfit. First time wearing jeans. It's been on campus and it's been hot. I have been exuding sweat that I didn't know I had. Something important that I just found out about college. TR doesn't stand for Thursday. TR stands for Tuesday and Thursday. They use R as Thursday symbol and don't have the symbol, what they mean on the side when you see your schedule. So I missed 3 classes Tuesday of this week. And I mentioned to all my teachers when I went yesterday. I found this out yesterday, my first course of the day. Getting ready to read this book. This is what I'm reading, The Way I Used to Be by Amber Smith. Today I have me lemonade. This is always good. Also have me some danishes. I have like a scone. This is like a raspberry danish and an apple danish right here. And then the main meal for breakfast is today French toast waffles. I got 2 with a lot of syrup this time. While I'm in the cab for breakfast, or even in the morning time, once I'm settled for the morning, I check my emails. My class today is virtual, not in person. She said it's too hot in the building. I get to use my external camera today because I have to do it off my laptop. As I'm still trying to figure out my routine, something for sure that's going to be routine is taking out my trash on Fridays. I took it out when I was leaving for the cab. I don't just take them little bags. I have a big old trash bag that I fill throughout the week. And I'm trying to see when I'm going to do laundry. If I'm going to do it every week, every 2 weeks, because right now I don't have a load of clothes really. The library ended on time. I'll take it as a sign, because right when I needed to leave, the fire alarm went off. So I literally came back to my room, trying to finish up this quick little quiz assignment for my teacher education. We have like different tutoring, online sessions to do. So I've been focusing on that in the library and doing at the same time my grammar book, going through that. It is currently 12:30. I have 30 minutes to figure out the Zoom, get on, and finish this assignment, which I'm on question 2 out of 10. And it's a lot of reading, a lot of comprehension that I need to focus on. As I said, my laptop always dead. It needs to charge. And hey guys, I made it to my house. I got picked up at 7. Now 9, I done had cookout for dinner. I did end up going to the cab though, before I got picked up. My cousin's game got canceled due to stormy weather, so it's for Monday, and he's gone for the weekend to go to my mom's home, so I might be in his room. I'm walking right now around to the front of the store because my aunt lives on the back side of a couple of stores or Dollar Tree. So yeah, here's the basic fit for the day. This is a big old walk around this building. I gotta go all the way over there. And the grass is wet, so I'm definitely not tracking through the grass. We made it in the store. I got a few things that I actually do need. Wipes, because I know the ones in my purse are almost empty. And I believe the ones I have in my emergency kit bag, which is my school bag, is almost empty as well. Not sure if I have a big pack of my Huggies wipes, so I'm picking up these Arm & Hammer Essentials. I really need some powder for my shoes. I forget how funky they can get. So also, I've been sweating. It's been hot in my dorm. Body powder as well. One thing, plasticware I did not have. I had paper forks, paper spoons. What's the bowls? My cereal, my ravioli, and I don't be feeling like going to wash the dish afterwards in the bathroom. I have this. After my long awaited nap because of this child, she let me sleep for 3 hours after I got back from shopping. It's now 8 o'clock. She finally got off work and we at the bowling alley. We'll see what we do from here on out. But I gotta go grocery shopping too tonight.
I'm still on top.
Okay.
I'm number 1 so far.
Yeah, she has 63. I'm 60. And Jason has 20 goals.
I'm not left-handed.
he got a hurt finger, but she only got top because she didn't have 2 stripes. I only had 1.
Get it, girl.
Hey guys. So I didn't put it in the roller game. This big old head did though. She ended with 98 and I ended with 89. This is my last plate with Dad. But we not at Texas Roadhouse. It's my food. 3 pieces of fish, corn, and fries. And then she got cactus blossom with some cheese, I think. And he got bacon fries. We're in the grocery store now, getting some items that I need to restock up on. Just frozen items, because I got plenty of snacks. I haven't been enjoying my waffles because also the captain having waffles. But I'm getting strudels. I think I want cinnamon roll. I'm glad they got these in store now. These were the things that were getting me through high school breakfast. That's the only thing I went for the line for was them. I've been blessed blessed with some new shoes, y'all. My aunt had these shoes, and I know she can't wear them because they're a size 9. From Kalo's, and this is a perfect heel because I don't have heels in my wardrobe, and the heels I did have, my wedges, those are more springtime, summer, so I left those back at home. This is a fall type of shoe. Y'all not see this olive green color too? Good morning, guys. I'm not gonna tell y'all what time I went to bed last night because it was kind of this morning, and it's currently 8:40 something, almost 9 o'clock, and I'm getting ready to go to church, get my day started. Because this afternoon, I'm excited. I'm very excited. I ran out of my sunscreen for my face. The one I've been using was e.l.f. So I picked up the Neutrogena before I headed off to college. Oh, this is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch. I have used this Neutrogena before, but in the spray body mist form. But this, I thought was gonna do good. No, this bottle, I'm gonna have to finish it because it's still quite a bit. This will last you a minute. This leaves a white cast. I want to spend $15 to get the e.l.f. again. If y'all have any good recommendations of affordable sunscreens for my melanin skin, please drop those down below. I'm an outfit repeater. Okay? Here's my church fit. This tan shirt from Forever 21. These green pants, actually from Shein Men. I ordered my dad an outfit, and he didn't like how the pants fit. He said they were too hot waters on him, so I got them. And I have my own green Pumas. That's outfit 1 of today. That's the church. Here's outfit day number 2 fit. And we went from churchy to out in the event, and we here at the HBCU Battle of the Bands. First time ever being here, and I'm so excited. Oh, got my water, because I will not die of thirst out here.
We don't know if we can take it to the other store.
My school is here. First time, I think, being here from Halifax County. College lifestyle now. The playing there some picklers are the best section.
Mama, why you not trying to recognize me? It's me! Hi, guys. Mama's like, it's you. Oh, my God. Hi, guys.
She got both Anna and her.
Yeah, I got Anna. But big drum major right here. Don't play
Let
with me.
me see back your shirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't play with me, okay?
How's y'all day been? Because I know y'all been busy all week.
Busy. Y'all, I miss Mumble so much. I just...
It's been a day. Tell by the cloud, it's finna rain. So we're on a weather delay after we sat down in our seats, and I'm... Hey guys, we're here on Monday evening. Haven't went home. We're back to college, and I'm going back tonight. It's the game that was canceled Friday, the first home game of Nigel's season. He's Salisbury High School, so they're Hornets. Here's how the shirt looks that his mama got made. I got some nachos from the concession stand. She did too. And he got a hot dog. They got both Gatorades. I just stuck my water. Welcome back to my dorm. They lost tonight though. Salisbury first game of the season, they did lose. Got this stuff to put it up real quick. That's how my Labor Day weekend went. Looking forward to more fun, more adventurous weeks. But on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, my beautiful butterflies.